was able to kind of go across those lines. Like I know some people's experience on the class of team was more like stick to your pillar, but I do kind of like find it funny that like at least my experience was I took it so seriously, like thinking it was like some choosing your house in Harry, like in Hogwarts, like Harry Potter, like, well, do I want to be Gryffindor or Slytherin? And once I make one choice, I'm stuck here forever. So I better choose right. But like in the reality, it ended up being like a much more like fluid experience for me. So that was
Yeah.
like pretty cool. Before
I
we go
mean,
further, I'm
yeah.
calling bathroom break.
Okay.
I really hope this. Okay, we're gonna try to keep it to one bathroom break this episode. I think I had like two or three the last one. I don't want this to become a thing, so we'll try
You're
to get
literally
better.
gonna be called like the bathroom boy.
I,
Like
was-
legit.
I,
Like
I hate that name so much, but it's so good. I was literally when I was reviewing the podcast episode, the first one, there was one point where I'm like, I am being so fidgety in my chair right now. I'm like, am I okay? And then like 2 seconds later, I'm like, I have to go to the bathroom. Can we pause again? And I'm like, damn it. Ugh.
already.
Okay.
You
Be
can
back in a
go.
sec. Okay,
Hello.
I'm back. You still recording and everything?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean,
The
I
bathroom boy is back. After like our first year of recording these, I know we've been like talking about doing a clip channel.
yeah.
We should just do a compilation of like every time I go
The
to the
times
bathroom and just like title it Rise of the Bathroom Boy.
we should change our podcast to bathroom breaks or something.
Our managers would be like, we were really on board of this when it was like about product management, but we're not so sure about the direction of the newest title. Her audience are going to come in thinking something completely different. Like, this is not what I thought I was signing up for when I searched for bathroom boy.
Well, the day that you're like being called bathroom boy, that's the day that we know we made it.
If my VP ever just like calls me in for a performance review, he's like, "Okay, bathroom boy," like that's when I'm like, I'm gonna go die now somewhere. Like, ugh. But yeah, so that was basically the beginning of like the